isn't given, it's selected. In the storm, we draw the line. Truth refined through fire and time. Eyes wide open, no disguise. We speak the words the world denies. No retreat, no turning back. Cut through lies, expose the cracks. Ultra Prime Selections Inc. We choose the truth, we make it sink. Voices rise, the system shakes. We are the tide, the silence breaks. Ultra Prime Selections Inc. No fear, no chains, no politics. From shadowed halls to center stage, we light the fuse, we set the page. Selection complete, ignition begins.
Welcome to Ultra Prime Selections Inc., where the truth has no filter, no misinformation, no political agenda. Just raw facts, real reviews, and fearless reporting. From survival gear to political exposés. This is the voice they can't control. You're watching Ultra Prime Selections Incorporated, the no-nonsense hub for real reviews, real insights, and real value. We cut through the noise to bring you the best Amazon finds. From everyday essentials to smart furniture and home upgrades. Tested, reviewed, and judged with zero corporate bias. Hit that subscribe button and let's upgrade your life one smart pick at a time. Today on Ultra Prime Selections Incorporated, we're diving into one of the most talked about living room upgrades of the year, the LLappuil U-shaped sectional sofa. This isn't just a sofa. This is the LLappuil modular U-shaped velvet sectional, an 8-seater beast of a couch built for real homes, real families, and real comfort. It arrives in multiple boxes, making delivery and setup a breeze. No freight elevators, no tight stairwells, just smart packaging made for easy moves. Assembly? Ultra smooth. Clear instructions, modular layout. You can have this full U-shaped sectional up and ready in no time. One person can do it, 2 people crush it.
Now let's talk what really matters. White heavy checkmark reversible chase. Absolutely. Customize your layout to fit any room. Left, right, center, you choose the vibe. White heavy checkmark massive seating capacity. 8 plush seats, this is party ready, family movie night ready, and host the whole crew ready. White heavy checkmark built-in storage. Hidden storage under nearly every seat. Toss-in blankets, remotes, games, or your secret snack stash. Clutter disappears. White heavy checkmark waterproof plus anti-scratch velvet. This isn't your grandma's velvet. It's soft, luxurious, but also built tough. Spill a drink. Wipe it clean. Got pets? This fabric fights back. No static shocks. No fuzz clinging to your clothes.
The earthy brown velvet adds warmth, class, and comfort. A real centerpiece for any modern home. If you're hunting for a couch that brings it all, size, style, storage, and serious comfort, the LLappuil modular U-shaped sectional delivers. And it delivers big. This one earns our highest seal. Now let's talk numbers. This powerhouse of a sectional comes in at $2,599 Canadian dollars and 99 cents before tax. Sounds high, maybe at first glance. But when you compare what you're getting, it's a steal. You're paying for true versatility, high-end comfort, and built-in storage that replaces the need for extra furniture. Ottomans, bins, even side tables. And don't forget the ultra-durable velvet. You'd normally pay $4,000 plus for similar features in designer showrooms. Our final verdict. For $2,599.99, this couch earns its keep every single day. It's not just a sofa. It's a centerpiece, a storage system, a family hub, and a statement of smart, modern living. The LLappuil modular U-shaped sectional is Ultra Prime approved. For value, comfort, and flexibility, this one's a winner. Next on our list, the Max Advanced Brakes Front Brake Kit. When it comes to stopping power, compromise is not an option. And that's why we're putting the spotlight on the Max Advanced Brakes Front Kit, built for the 2007, 2008, and 2009 Ford Expedition and Lincoln Navigator. Premium OE-style rotors. Advanced ceramic pads. Real performance. This is not your average parts store special. You're getting precision-machined rotors for true OEM performance. And ceramic brake pads that reduce dust, increase durability, and keep your wheels looking sharp. These rotors come with OE-style vane configurations for maximum cooling, meaning better braking under load, less fade, and longer life even in stop-and-go driving or towing conditions. Whether you're hauling gear, taking the family on road trips, or just want your daily driver to stop like it should, this kit delivers the kind of confident, smooth braking you expect from a premium upgrade. What you get: 2 front premium OE replacement rotors, 1 set of low-dust, quiet ceramic pads, hardware kit included, where applicable, direct fit, no modifications required, backed by reliability and performance testing from Max Advanced Brakes. Value for the money? Absolutely. Comparable dealership replacements could run you $600 to $800 or more. This kit comes in well below that, and you get equal or better performance with quieter operation and less maintenance. Installation is straightforward for any DIYer or shop tech. And once installed, you'll feel the difference instantly. Tight pedal response, consistent grip, and smooth stops every time. The Max Advanced Brakes kit for the Expedition and Navigator is Ultra Prime approved for safety, longevity, and serious performance. This is how you stop with confidence. No spin, no fluff, just the parts that work. Subscribe for more real-world reviews, only at Ultra Prime Selections, Inc. Not every product earns the Ultra Prime stamp. Next, we're reviewing the Tribesigns round 47-inch dining table, and after hands-on testing, it scores a disappointing 4 out of 10 on our scale. It looks great in pictures, described as a farmhouse-style, industrial circle table for 4 to 6 people. Sounds ideal, right? Wrong. What we got was a very different story. Setup experience. Assembly is where this product completely falls apart, and not just figuratively. The instructions are vague, poorly labeled, and inconsistent. Expect a frustrating build that takes far longer than it should. Capacity check. Now, about that seats 6 people claim, we tested it. Realistically, you might squeeze 4 adults around it tight. 6 adults? Not happening unless you're sitting toddlers. Design and finish. We'll give credit where it's due. The rustic brown finish and industrial metal base do look stylish once it's finally set up. But looks aren't everything, especially when the product doesn't deliver on function. Final verdict, 4 out of 10. Nice design aesthetics. Misleading size description. Overcomplicated assembly. Not functional for 6 people, as advertised. Underdelivers in every practical category. This table may look the part, but it fails the test when it comes to value, function, and setup. For that reason, the Tribesigns 47-inch round dining table is not Ultra Prime approved. We give it to you straight. Every time. No spin. No sugarcoating. Just truth. Ultra Prime Selections Incorporated. You've just seen the truth. Unfiltered, unbiased, and unafraid. This is Ultra Prime Selections, Inc., where real reviews expose the hype, and we say what the mainstream won't. Like, share, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a Real review again. We're just getting started. No corporate sponsors. No paid shills. Only what works. And what doesn't. Until next time, stay sharp, stay prepared, and stay Ultra Prime. Ultra Prime Selections, Inc. Truth. Tested. Trusted. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos. We don't just review products, we bring you the truth.